Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in here, but I have hopes for what's in there. So we'll see. We'll see here. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there's of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alrighty. Quick incision. There we go. And let's get in here. We have stuffing. Hopefully one of those is a note. And oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. That's what I was hoping was in there. Oh, I'm so pumped to open that up. Man. What is this? Paper. Do we have... Oh, 2 pieces of paper. Hopefully, maybe there's a note in here. Oh, gosh. Oh, boy. It will be... There's a lot of people who know exactly what this is, and I'm sure there are people going, what? Like, why? I don't understand. Oh, good. I can feel something. Oh, God. Oh, do we have a note somewhere? Yep. Hang on. I know you guys want me to peel that open. MC, thanks for all the great content, especially since we have similar taste in knives. This is sent from Andy, and that's all the information I'm going to give. Thank you so much for sending this. Okay. So this guy right here is the Terrain 365 Invictus. Oh God, I'm so excited about this. Oh, turn that up. I'm gonna turn the exposure up just a bit. Yeah, why? Because it's using this Terravantium steel, and that is yeah, Terravantium. So I'm learning about this stuff. This is one of those new crazy hyper exotic materials that can't corrode. Oh boy. So if I remember correctly, he mentioned that this was he was thinking about selling this, and I'm very, very much considering picking this up. Let me take a look inside here real quick. Yeah, there you go. Some milling on the titanium on this side. Boy, that is that's a stunner right there, and nice action. What are we looking at for? Is it on bearings? Well, it sure feels like it. Yeah, it's on bearings. I don't know if you guys can see. Sorry, I don't know if you guys can see in there. Bearings. Boy, that's tempting. I got a lot of stuff that I want. You can pick up my flashlight down in the description as well. I got a lot of stuff that I'm interested in right now, and this is one of those things. If I decide not to, I'm sure that somebody else will jump at this because, unfortunately, guys, this is not something that is readily available at the moment. Boy, that action is smooth. Do these glow? Hang on. We can charge these up here real quick and turn off my lights. Yeah, it does. That's neat. On probably both sides. I just didn't charge the other side. Where's my light? Let's try this again. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is a cool knife. Very cool. Expensive. Expensive knife. And unavailable knife. This is awesome. I'm very excited about this. You guys probably remember, some of you are thinking, that looks really familiar. Didn't you have a knife like that on this channel? Yes. I had the ProTech Invictus, which was the automatic. This is Prometheus Design Works and Terrain 365 collaborating to bring this very interesting and weird knife to the table, right? But the one that I had was the Invictus through ProTech, and then there was an original Invictus and probably some other ones. Big fan of the straight lines, big fan of the forward choil, big fan of the blade shape. Really neat. Really, really neat. Ooh, I'm excited about this. Alright, guys, that's going to be it for today. This is just an unboxing and first impressions video. The full review will come down the road here within the next few weeks. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.